Well, the little lady, Tinkerbell, has not been sitting on the nest lately. I see her a lot of times sitting around on a limb next to the nest, or hovering close by. As a matter of fact, she just went over my head, but she doesn't sit on the nest anymore because there isn't room in the nest. And there's a little beak sticking up right there, and that's baby. But I've not been able to catch her feeding baby yet, and that's what I want to try to film. If I can, I'm just going to have to spend some time here with her and try to do that. But she's kind of hanging around back here behind me, so I'm going to get on out of here and let her come check on the baby. But as soon as I get a chance, I want to film the little guy. He kind of fills up the nest now, so she can't really sit in there with him. And he's got little feathers, and yeah, he's really growing. So, I mean, as big as they get. He's still only about an inch long, but it's pretty cute. I'll get back to you here soon, hopefully, and get a shot of the little guy. And well, I can probably do that now, but what I'd really like to have is a shot of her feeding him. Anyway, there's a little guy, little beak poking up there, and it's kind of dark in here, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see him. But there he is. I don't know how well this is going to come out. We'll see. It's pretty cute, that little beak sticking up there. Okay, I got to get out of here. Mama's upset.